Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily start an LLC with LegalZoom. So, we're currently here at LegalZoom.com, and from here, all you have to do is click on Business, then click on Limited Liability Company or LLC. This will redirect you to a page where you can see their packages for you to be able to start an LLC with LegalZoom, starting with the basic package that costs zero or free, plus the state filing fees. And from here, you will get only articles of organization filed with the state. This includes articles of organization, documents needed to officially register your LLC with the state, name check service to confirm that your preferred business name is available, and to 800 accountant consult to discuss tax saving services. You also have here the Pro package that will cost you $249 plus state filing fees. This is best for those planning to start and operate a business or side hustle. This includes basic package plus an operating agreement, an EIN, bookkeeping tools to track expenses, access to over 150 customizable legal documents, 1 year included, also unlimited e-signatures to send and sign agreements online, and the customizable website. And lastly, we have here the premium package. This will cost you $299 plus state filing fees. This is best for those who want an experienced attorney to ensure that they get everything right. This is basically includes pro package plus hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney that you choose based on state, years of experience, and rating. They also have here unlimited 30-minute attorney consultations about new legal topics related to your business, 30-day subscription included, and any changes to your LLC formation documents within the first 30 days. So from here, you're just going to review your order, including the filing fees depending on your location. Then once done, just proceed to check out. Then once the payment is done, all you have to do is follow all the guides that will help you start your LLC. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!